Hey YouTubers, I'm here to show you one of the games that we had to create. The game was called Goldie. Goldie was supposed to eat a fish. Fish was indicated as alpha, so right now I'm showing you the board that we had to use. It's a DE2 board, and we had to use the switches for the controls and the display to show the game, and then the hex to show the score and whatever extras you wanted to do with the game. The program that we had to use was Quartus too. Right now, I'll show you my block diagram. The block diagram indicates everything that's going on. Here are the outputs, and here's the inputs. For the inputs, we have 8 switches and 1 clock called clock 50. And then here is the program block diagram for the game, and then this is the program for the timer. So I'm going to show you that after I compiled it, it was 100%. So now we're going to go program it. It's 100%. So we come to the game. Right now we show that Goldie is one size. So, and then here will show your timer, and here will show how many times the fish went by. So how many times you missed the fish by not eating it. This switch right here is the on and off button. This switch right here is to move Goldie up and down, which I will show you. So the switch is up, so Goldie goes up. Switch is down, Goldie goes down. As you can see, Goldie eats the fish and displays an X. And as you can see, because I don't have any switches up to indicate what type of game I want, the clock will go up to 60 seconds. This is how many times the fish is missed. So as you can see, it can show you how many times it's eaten and how many times this is how many times it's eating, and this is how many times it missed. So you can see that going up and down. Alright, so I'm gonna restart it. It goes right back to 1, 0, 0. Alright, so we have Goldie up top. Now the first game that we created was 10 seconds was mandatory. So 10 seconds is up and we will start. And then as you can see, 10 seconds stop. Your time stops, your points stops, so you can write down your points and your time. But how many times you died or how many times you missed a fish, if you want to indicate it in either way, will still increase. This right now, because the time in the points has stopped counting, this is considered as practice mode for us. So you can continue playing the game, but as score wise, the score won't increase. So another feature that we have is adding seconds on. So if I put up the second switch, pull down the first one, then your time will increase and it will stop at 20 seconds. So basically we have 4 different game lengths. So 20 seconds and then it'll stop. Once that happens, and then all the switches are down, it's called unlimited. This score will go up to 9,999. This will stop at 59 seconds, and this will go up to 99. So, restart the game. And the same thing for, this is switch 1, switch 2, switch 3. Switch 4 goes up to 40 seconds. And switch 3 goes up to 30. So going to show you switch 4 because, I mean, I don't guess you want to see this for a long time. And so I'm going to show you one of the other special features. 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds. This is lives. So how many times you miss a fish, the game will shut off. So I will show you. You missed 3 fish. Took you 5 seconds to last. So it's survival mode. And you ate 4. And the game is off, as you can see. Okay. Turn off. Next is how long will it take you to eat 10 fishes? So the game is on. Sorry. The game is on. So right now we have how long it will take you to eat 10 fishes. So the clock should stop right when right when you eat 10 fishes. 10 fishes in 12 seconds. So, and then right now it's back into practice mode. Alright, now the next switch I will show you is the last one. It's nothing different. It's unlimited mode, and that's the last switch. Basically practice mode all over again. And this will increase your score, your time, and how many times you missed. So you can consider it as unlimited mode as practice mode also. So, and that will be the game. If you have any questions, post any comments. Sorry I won't be able to give you out the code, but I can't help anyone who is trying to do Vhdl. So, I will show you again a block diagram. This is the block diagram for the game. This is a block diagram for the timer. I will probably try to do the same way that I'm doing if you're doing a timer, because you won't be able to put the timer with the clock. So you can have the same clock, and that's clock 50, with both of these, but different. I will show you. Different clock dividers. Okay? So, and then inside the game you can also have a clock divider for the game, so it'll cut off automatically. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Post any comments and like the video, and maybe share, and maybe subscribe me also. Thanks.